Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts and permissions so the integration can be authorized. Sign into Zoom and Calendly using the accounts you plan to link, and make sure your Zoom license supports API scheduling. In Calendly, go to Integrations, select Zoom, and click Connect. When prompted, review scopes and grant access. This lets Calendly create meetings on your behalf. Once done, you'll see Zoom listed as a connected app in Calendly. Make sure the correct Zoom account appears before proceeding. Next, you configure which event types should automatically create Zoom meetings. Open an event type in Calendly, enable video conferencing, and select Zoom as the provider. Adjust duration, buffer times, and time zones so invites show correct start times. This prevents double bookings. Make sure notification and calendar invite settings include the Zoom link. If you use alternative hosts or require a waiting room, set those in Zoom and reflect them in the event notes. Once configured, test with a sample booking to verify link generation. Finally, always verify with a real booking so you can confirm the Zoom link appears in the confirmation email and calendar event. If it doesn't, recheck calendar permissions and whether Calendly can write events, then revoke and reconnect the Zoom integration to refresh OAuth tokens. Make sure your Zoom license supports simultaneous meetings and that account-level settings don't block third-party apps. If problems persist, inspect error messages in Calendly integrations and Zoom App Marketplace. This usually reveals missing permissions or conflicting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.